The Anatomage cadaver tables give us a 3D rendered cadaver to use within our labs. We got these pre-COVID through a grant that the healthcare consortium, the healthcare team at the Skill Center applied for, and we were able to actually get 4 of them that actually vertically stand up rather than stay stationary, that you would see in some community colleges, some other high schools, and also med programs that are out there for MD and doctor and DO school. We had to shelve them, of course, during the COVID, but when we came back, we created a curriculum that was based around using the Anatomage as a specimen to supplement our anatomy and physiology within using the heart, the brain, the urinary system. And so we were able to create curriculum and give our kids the opportunity to touch the specimen, to play with them, to turn them around, to outline them as much as possible as if they had a real cadaver in front of them. That aorta. So now you can see inside the aorta. Student reaction's been great. They absolutely love it. It brings paper to real life. You're able to take that 2D coloring worksheet and actually apply it to what you're learning in class and get that full experience and take away parts that you traditionally couldn't do in a textbook, on a worksheet, or even on a video.